Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 222 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. There is the Rajasthan Canal Control Board, and on that formerly there was no representative of the ministry. Looking to the importance of the project, the Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Irrigation and Power, the Joint Secretary of the Ministry of Finance, and a member or the Chairman of the Central Water and Power Commission are now associated with the working of the Control Board. Moreover, there is a committee of direction which gives direction for the construction of the project and lays down the policy. That committee is presided over by the Ministry of Irrigation and Power, Government of India. The Chief Minister of Rajasthan and the Chief Minister of Punjab are members of this committee of direction. Therefore, from the point of view of the day-to-day execution as well as from the point of view of the policy question, the center is very closely associated with the execution of the project. If the honorable member wants that the project should be executed by the center directly, it may not be possible. It is not possible because even under the Constitution, we do not directly execute any project. The House might recall that the Estimates Committee recommended that the Centre should not directly take up any execution work. They must work as technical advisors or in overall supervision of the project. They should not take up the direct execution of any project. But as the project is of national importance, we have a very careful watch on the execution of the project. We see that in matters of policy, the decisions are taken by the Committee of Direction and the day-to-day execution is taken up by the Control Board. Then I went further to analyze the other reason why he wants the center to take over the project. He says that the construction of the Rajasthan Canal is lagging behind the schedule by 2 months for lack of supplies of cement and coal. Now, if the construction is lagging behind by 2 months only, that is not such a grave factor as to cause that sort of apprehension. Even then, it is not the cause that because the center is not in charge of the execution of the project that the delay, if any, has occurred. The delay in the supply of coal, as everybody knows, was due to difficulties of transport. The delay in the supply of cement was due to short supply. Even then, we have in the Central Water and Power Commission a cell which looks after the requirements of the river valley projects.